If you've ever cruised out of Central Florida and thought there has to be an easier way to handle transportation, hotels, and getting to the ship, let me introduce you to something that can seriously simplify your entire trip, and it's called GoPort. GoPort is a cruise transportation and hotel package service designed specifically for people sailing out of Port Canaveral, which is one of the busiest cruise ports in the world. Instead of you trying to piece everything together like booking an airport ride, finding a hotel, figuring out parking, and stressing about getting to your ship on time, GoPort bundles everything into one smooth system. Here's how it works in real life. You fly into Orlando International Airport, and instead of scrambling for an Uber or rental car, you head straight to the GoPort transportation area. From there, you hop on a shuttle that takes you either directly to the cruise port or to your hotel if you booked a package that includes an overnight stay. One of the most popular options is their hotel and shuttle package. This is where things get really convenient. You choose a hotel near the airport or in the Orlando area, and your booking includes a ride from the airport to the hotel, then transportation from the hotel to the cruise terminal the next day. Some packages even include return transportation after your cruise, bringing you back to the airport or hotel. The beauty of this setup is that it removes the biggest stress points of cruising. No worrying about traffic on embarkation day. No last-minute ride cancellations. No paying surge pricing. Everything is scheduled, coordinated, and designed around cruise departure times. Let's talk about embarkation day, because this is where GoPort really shines. The morning of your cruise, you'll get assigned a shuttle time based on your sailing. You bring your luggage down, board the shuttle, and head straight to your cruise terminal at Port Canaveral. The drivers are used to cruise schedules, so they plan arrivals to match boarding windows, which means you're not showing up too early or stressing about being late. If you're driving instead of flying, GoPort also offers park and cruise packages. You park your car at a designated hotel or lot, stay overnight if you want, and then take their shuttle to the port. When you return, they bring you right back to your car. This can often be cheaper and way easier than parking directly at the port. Now, let's break down the main package types so you can choose what fits your trip best. There's the one-way transfer, which is perfect if you just need a ride from the airport to the port or back. There's the round-trip transfer, which covers both directions and is great for simplicity. Then there's the Hotel Plus Shuttle package, which is the most popular because it combines lodging and transportation into one stress-free plan. And finally, there's the Park and Cruise option for those driving in. Timing is everything with cruises, and GoPort is built around that. Their entire system is designed to match sailing schedules from major cruise lines like Royal Caribbean, Carnival Cruise Line, and Norwegian Cruise Line, so you're not guessing when to leave or how long it'll take. Another major advantage is cost predictability. Instead of stacking up separate charges for ride shares, hotel transfers, and parking fees, you pay one upfront price. For families especially, this can save a significant amount of money compared to booking everything individually. Here's a pro tip that experienced cruisers swear by. Always fly in at least one day before your cruise and use a hotel package. Flights get delayed, weather happens, and ships do not wait. GoPort makes that pre-cruise stay seamless, and it gives you peace of mind knowing you're already close and ready for embarkation. Also, keep in mind, luggage handling is straightforward. You keep your bags with you on the shuttle, and once you arrive at the port, you hand them off to the porters just like any other cruiser. No complicated transfers, no confusion. At the end of your cruise, the process is just as smooth. You get off the ship, head to the designated shuttle area, and board your ride back to the airport or hotel. It's organized, efficient, and removes that chaotic post-cruise scramble. So if you're looking to make your cruise vacation easier, smoother, and way less stressful, GoPort is one of those behind-the-scenes upgrades that can completely change your experience. It takes all the moving parts of travel and turns them into one simple plan so you can focus on what actually matters, enjoying your vacation from the moment you land to the moment you head back home. And here's the bottom line. The less time you spend worrying about logistics, the more time you spend enjoying the journey. And that's exactly what GoPort is built for.